Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is Fall Tablescape using rustic colors. So I am truly excited, and I have to say there are many reasons why I am excited about today's video. The first reason why I am excited is because it is a tablescape video. I always enjoy doing tablescape videos. I love putting all of the dishes and the floral arrangements and the tablecloth and seeing how it looks, and it's like creating a beautiful symphony. And that is how I look at creating tablescapes. So I'm really excited because, again, it's a tablescape video. And the second reason why I am excited is because this video is part of a collaboration that I am doing with Luxury Living with Enn. And I am excited doing this collaboration video with Enn, and I always enjoy doing collaboration videos. And she is also doing a tablescape video using rustic colors. So please be sure to check out her video. The link is going to be down in the description box below. So after you finish watching this video, you can definitely check out her video as well. And like I have mentioned, this is going to be a very beautiful, very elegant, sophisticated, fabulous tablescape with rustic colors. Now, I did not want to use too many fall items. I wanted to kind of sprinkle a little bit of fall here and there, but it still have elements of fall. So like I have mentioned, this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait for me to share all of the details and give you a tour of this tablescape and share with you how I put it together. And also, I do have a few announcements before I get started in my tablescape. The first announcement that I want to share, and of course I have all my announcements here in this book, so the first announcement that I want to share is I do have another collaboration video that I'm going to be doing, and it is going to be with Gigi Face On. Now, this is an open invitation, so if you are a content creator and you create home decor videos and tablescape videos and decor videos, then you can definitely join this collaboration. It is an open collaboration, so you can join. So here are the rules. The first rule is, of course, you have to use fall traditional colors, and you have to use the color blue and white. And I truly love that color combination together because I think it looks so beautiful and so elegant. And the second rule is it is going to be a video that is going to be coming out on September the 18th. So make sure that your video comes out on September the 18th. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the time as far as what time you should release your video. And then also, the other rule is you must be subscribed to my channel and also to Gigi's channel as well to participate in this open collaboration. And so like I have mentioned, I am beyond excited about this collaboration. I'm excited about this collaboration, and I'm also excited about the other collaboration as well. And I do want to mention that I am also on Instagram. I do have a blog, and I am also on TikTok, and all of that information is going to be down below in the description box. And also, if you are a new viewer and you're watching one of my videos for the first time, I want to say welcome. And if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, you can definitely subscribe to my channel. It is free. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back. And also, I do post videos once a week on my channel, and if I do have the time, I do extra videos. So that is the reason why it is so important to click on that notification bell and to click on the word all, so that way you will get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. Okay, so enough of me talking. Let me go ahead and get started in today's tablescape. Okay, everyone, so that is it for today's video, and this is like my 5th time filming this because there is a party going on in my neighborhood and there's noise. So anyways, let me know what you think about today's video, today's tablescape. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. I love to read the comments, and it really encourages me to do more videos when I read the comments. And also, please be sure to check out Luxury Living with Enn's channel. Check out her video. The link is going to be down below in the description box. And like I have mentioned, there is going to be another collab video. More information on that collaboration video. It is an open invite, so if you are a content creator, you can definitely more than welcome to join this collaboration that I am doing with Gigi Faison. All of that information is going to be in the community page on my YouTube page. And that is it for today's video. Now, you can definitely follow me in all of my social media. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and I also have a blog. All of the links are going to be down below in the description box. And I will be doing more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more how to entertain at home videos, and more home decor videos. Bye-bye and God bless.